Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Spectrum TV application on your Google TV in 2026. So if you want to watch the live TV, the on-demand shows and the DVR without a cable box, this setup is going to take just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to open your Google TV. Make sure that it is turned on and connected to Wi-Fi. After that, on your Google TV remote, you just have to simply press the home button. Now, as soon as you press the home button, you are going to see this type of screen in front of you. On the top, you just have to look for the Google Play Store. Even if you tap on this apps option here in the left hand section, you will be redirected in your app store. So over here in the Google Play Store or App Store, you just have to use the search bar. Then in this particular keypad, you just have to use the remote and start searching for Spectrum TV. Now, when you are able to find the Spectrum TV application here in the search bar, in the search results, you just have to simply tap on that. So once you are here on the Spectrum TV page, simply click on the option of this install button. Now after 30 to 60 seconds, the installation and the downloadation will be completed. So once it is completed successfully, you need to come here on this page again. Then instead of the install button, you are going to see an open button. When you tap on the option of open, it is going to ask you to log in with the help of your username and password. So you need to provide these details and you need to basically log in into your Spectrum account. So once you are inside, you are going to see your channel lineups, your content library on the home page. So you just have to basically start streaming and start using it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.